Hello guys, have you ever wanted to hear Homer Simpson sing like Drake, Taylor Swift, or even scream heavy metal? If so, this video is for you. Today I'm diving into something fun and super viral. How to make Homer Simpson AI cover songs using the Jammable AI cover generator. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. So what is Jammable? It's an insanely fun, browser-based AI music generator that lets you create AI covers of thousands of characters in seconds, from celebrities to cartoons. With its advanced voice cloning technology, Jammable delivers high-quality results that sound authentic and engaging.
To feel your heart beating next to mine, won't you come on down? Forget about your past, you can't take my hand.
With no tech skills, downloads, or setup required, anyone can create AI covers with their favorite voices in a few clicks. All right, let's make our first Homer cover. Here's how to use Jammable to create a cover song. Step 1. Sign in or create a free account on the Jammable AI cover website. Then search for Homer voice model. There are many to choose from. Select the one you like. You can also preview the voice before applying it.
To feel your heart beating next to mine, won't you come on down? Forget about your past, you can't take my hand.
Step 2. Click Create. Upload your own audio. Here it is.
Girl, you know I want your love. Your love will have me for somebody like me. Coming out for a melody. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say boy, let's not talk too much. Got on my waist and put that body down me. Coming out for a melody and coming out for a melody.
Then add a preset, adjust the pitch shift and vocal volume. Step 3. After that, click Start Cover. In seconds, your Homer AI cover will be ready. Let's listen to the result.
Girl, you know I want your love. Your love would have me for somebody like me. Coming off the melody. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Same boy, let's not talk too much. Got on my waist and pulls that body down me. Coming off the melody and coming off for melody.
Amazing! Now you can unlock the file to download it and share it with your friends or family. Look, it's incredibly to create viral Homer Simpson AI song covers. Now it's your turn to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.